Dear students, last class time discussion करते about matrix multiplication. We know that two same order of square matrices multiplied each other, but same order of matrices may be multiplied or may not be multiplied each other. But in that case, two matrices must be multiplied when the rows of entries of a first is equal to column of entries of a second. In that case, two matrices are multiplied each other. Just like this, suppose A is the matrix 1 2 3 1 1 2. B is the matrix of a same order 3 4 5 1 1 0. So that is equal to 2 by 2, 2 by 3 order of matrix and a 2 by 3 order of matrix. But in this case, two matrices cannot be multiplied each other because entries of first matrices in row is 3 and entries of second matrices in column is 2. So they cannot multiply each other because 1 multiplied with 3, 2 multiplied with 1, then 3 cannot multiply with any numbers. So in this case, these two matrices are same order, but they cannot multiply each other. But when that is equal to a 3 by 3 order of matrix, 4 2 5 and B is equal to 1 6 2 1 1 2 2 2 1. So this matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix, this matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. କହିଥିଲି ଯେ ଟୁ ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଫ୍ ମାଟ୍ରିକ୍ସେସ୍ ମେ ବି ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲାଏଡ୍ ହେଇପାରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମଷ୍ଟ ବି ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲାଏଡ୍ that is ଭୁଲ. So in this case two matrices may be multiplied if they are in same order of a square matrix case. In other matrices case they may be possible or may not be possible. Then transpose of your matrix. Of matrix. Let A is a matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is called known as the prefix of matrix. A11 means that entries present in first row and a first column. A32 that means that entries present in third row and a second column. Just like this, if this is a matrix, another matrix suppose taken as the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix known as interchange of a row and a column of a given matrix known as the transpose of a matrix. So AT is equal to A transpose interchange. So a row divert to column and a column divert to row. So that is equal to A11, then A12, A13, then A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix known as the transpose of the given matrix. By interchange of row and column of a given matrix known as the transpose of a given matrix. So that this is a square matrix by 3 by 3 order of matrix or 3 cross 3 order of matrix, but that transpose is the same because this is a square matrix. But in other matrix cases, that may be equal or may not be equal orders. If row is 3 by 2 orders, matrix belongs to 3 by 2, then interchange value is equal to 2 by 3. So transpose may be equal or may not be equal. Now discuss about properties of multiplication. Number one, first remember headline properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. First, your commutative properties. We know that in addition case, A plus B is equal to B plus A for the matrix addition cases. But in your multiplication, matrix multiplication not commutative. That means AB not equal to BA. How? Suppose A is the matrix is equal to 2 by 2 order matrix 2, 3, 3, 1. B another matrix with value is equal to 3, 1, 3, 4, 2. 2 by 2 order of matrix, 2 by 2 order of matrix. Because in first matrix, the row contains the 2 elements and the column contains also 2 elements. In that case, two matrices multiplied each other. When A multiplied with B, then first row multiplied with the first column and the first row multiplied with the second column. So that AB is equal to 1 cross 1 plus 2 cross 4. Then 1 cross 3 plus 2 cross 2. Then this multiplied with this 3 cross 1 plus 1 cross 4. Then 3 cross 3 plus 1 cross 2. Then addition each other. 1 cross 1, 1. 2 cross 8 is equal to 2 cross 4 is equal to 8. So that is equal to 9. So that is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then this is equal to 3 plus 4, 7. That is equal to 9 plus 2, 11. Just like this. This value is equal to A cross B. Repeat again. Suppose first row multiplied with the first column 1 cross 1 plus 2 plus 4. Then 1 cross 3 plus 2 cross 2. Then second row multiplied with the first column 3 cross 1 plus 1 cross 4. Then 3 cross 3 plus 1 plus 2. Then another case addition is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Then 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That is equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. The value of A plus B. Then B plus A cross B. Or then B multiplied with A. The row of first multiplied with this. So that is equal to 1 cross 1 plus 3 cross 3. Then this multiplied with the second column. Then 3 cross 2 plus 2 cross 1. Then second row multiplied with first column. 4 cross 1 plus 2 cross 3. Then this multiplied with 4 cross 2 plus 2 cross 1. BA, first row multiplied with the first column of A, 1 cross 1 plus 2 cross 3. Then first row with the second column. Then first row with second column. Sorry, भूल ही Sorry. Again repeat. BA. that is equal to BA is equal to 1 cross 1 plus 3 cross 3, first row with first column, then first row with second column. That means 1 cross 2 plus 3 cross 1. Then second row with first column, 4 cross 1 plus 2 cross 3. Then second row with second column, 4 cross 2 plus 2 cross 1. So this is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. Then 3 plus 2, 5. Then 4 plus 6, 10. Then 8 plus 2, 10. That is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix or 2 by 2 matrix. Which case AB not equal to BA. Suppose this multiplied with first 1 cross 1, 3 cross 3, then 1 cross 2, 3 cross 1, then second row 4 cross 1, then 2 cross 3, then 4 cross 2, then 2 cross 1. So that is equal to 9 plus 1, 10, 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 8 plus 2, 10. That is a 2 cross 2 of matrix which value BA not equal to AB. So AB not equal to BA. So matrix multiplication is not commutative, but that is associative. Just like this. A B C is equal to A B C. But matrix multiplication is associative, not commutative. But if A is equal to 1 2 3 1, B is equal to 2 1 1 1, C is equal to 1 1 2 1. That is equal to A multiplied with B C. That means 1 2 3 1. Multiplication. This to this. 2 cross 1 plus 1 cross 2. 2 cross 1, 1 cross 2. Then 2 cross 1 plus 1 cross 1. Then this multiplied with this, 1 cross 1 plus 1 cross 2. Then this multiplied with this, 1 cross 1 plus 1 cross 1. So because first row multiplied with the first column, then 2 cross 1, then 1 cross 2. First elements, then 2 cross 1, then 1 cross 1. Second elements, then move toward the second row, 1 cross 1 plus 1 cross 2, then 1 cross 1 plus 1 cross 1. So that value is equal to 1 2 3 1, again multiplied with, then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 1 plus 2, 3, then 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Then multiplied with this, so that value is equal to first row with first column is equal to 1 cross 4 plus 2 cross 3. Then 1 cross 3 plus 2 cross 2. Then your second row with first column, 3 cross 4 plus 1 cross 3. Then 3 cross 3 plus 1 cross 2. 1 multiplied with 4, then 2 multiplied with 3. 1 cross 4 plus 2 cross 3. Then 1 multiplied with 3, 1 cross 3 plus 2 cross 2. Then second is equal to 3 cross 4 plus 3 cross 3 cross 4 plus 1 cross 3. Then 3 cross 3 plus 1 plus 2. That is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Then 3 plus 4, 7. 12 plus 3, 15. 9 plus 2, 11. This is your final. Then for yourself, tax is equal to AB dot C. When AB dot C is equal to this, then your second property is clear. That means the product of the matrix is associative but not commutative. Then other things I will discuss about the next video. Goodbye.